Hello and welcome to Cubs'Hub again, where I'll be teaching you all about number names. If you've been following my previous videos on forward counting and backward counting, you already know how to count from 0 to 100 and from 100 back down to 0. If you have not seen those videos yet, please ask your mom or dad to play those videos for you and watch them carefully. But now, it's time to take your counting skills to the next level by learning the names of each of these numbers. When we say 1, we are not just saying a sound, we are referring to a number. And just like 1, every other number has its own name and its own unique meaning. Throughout this series, we'll be exploring the names of numbers from 0 all the way up to 100, as well as learning how to spell each of these numbers correctly. By the end of it, you'll be a pro at counting and naming numbers, and you'll be able to impress your friends, teachers and family with your knowledge about numbers. Zero. Z E R O 0. 1 O N E 1. 2 T W O 2. 3 T H R E 3. 4 F O U R 4. 5 F I V E 5. 6 S I X 6. 7 S E V E N 7. 8 E I G H T 8. 9 N I N E 9. 10 T E N 10.